ndị obi agụ agụ Senator distinguished my day ozi kasị fụ mmadụ karịa agụ onye so agụ wee jee ụzọ agụ adị agụ a ya ka nọ n'ime maka ụmụ ebe anyị ejesi anyị bụ ndị ọdụ ọma oteghị anyị nọ n'ije ahụ a on the 13th of May ka ọ ga-abụ 46 years ọdụ ọma nọ n'ife so na o bido hụ tata bụ okwu Anioma ọ bụ ọzọ ka anyị kọba the story na ife anyị ekwuzi ọgwụ success story ya ka nọ n'ime nwakpọ nnata okwu Ike steeti anyị etinye isi ọ nakata ọda mmiri mana nke anyị n'ọwọ amadazi mmiri anyị ekwu okwu Anioma anyị je ga-abụ ndị Anioma na-asụ na anyị ga-abụ Anioma bido Anioma state movement o mesie ndị soja abịa anyị nwazi ike ga-emedo a mana anyị eme ife Anioma enweghị afa ọ 1989 ka formal declaration was made oge ogbe ha ji bụ gọvanọ ka the presentation to the Bende state government December 13th. We have us go and popularize it. That was the language. Manatata, Anita is happy. Now for Anioma they got gazetted.
Of course.
Nanyi bundi Anioma. Ndị ofesi ndị be anyị mbọsị nwa made the declaration ife anyị kwubu na Anioma bụ the version of our own Igbo language ya bụ ife dị anyị Anioma our Igbo version of language so na ụmụ oge Anioma ji gba ọsọ na ya bụ ndị Igbo nwana akpọ anyị ka ndị Igbo Ika Igbo Bende Igbo ọmụ onye gba ọsọ Delta Igbo Bende Igbo ọmụ onye ju anyị oge ndị Igbo ji wee ju Igbo were Igbo tinye n'azụ sịsọ anyị aza Igbo Nwekebe steeti okwu echenji ya na Nigeria mbụ ife onye Igbo isi onye ka ịbụ ọsị na ya bụ onye Igbo tupu o ji ga-agwa anyị na ya bụ onye nde mmiri ọ na ya bụ onye Ọnịcha maọbụ na ya bụ onye Mkpọ mana Nwekebe steeti ifuzi onye Igbo si onye ka ịbụ ọsị na ya bụ onye Anambra Igbo adịza behind and ya ka nwa Zakebe ọ bụla isusu anyị na-aza Ika Igbo Midwest Igbo anyị bụ ndị ka retain Igbo language Igbo identity na Nigeria. This is sure banker and ya ka anyị na-arịọ n'ime na ndị ọbụla asị na ya abụghị ndị Igbo onye amaghọ ife Igbo bụ maka ụmụ ha oge ndị Igbo ji wee nụba ọgụ babịa ga katu akada anyị iwe anyị abasụbaza Igbo. No, there was no time like that. Onye ọbụla jee into history mana anyị abịa itinye isi n'ime Igbo. Ofu onye n'ebe bụ onye volunteer, onye do senator, distinguished senator. Na be kind of meeting ba họpụta ambassador Wechue to be the President General of Ohaneze ndị Igbo.
The Daily Post of Nigeria, I read, former Delta State Governor Ifeanyi Okowa has accused Senator Ned Nwoko of misleading the public over the proposed creation of Anioma State. This is even as he also questioned the timing of ongoing discussion on state creation, arguing that the current legislative calendar makes such proposal unrealistic. Okowa words are insults to the National Assembly. Ifeanyi Okowa has openly said that anyone telling you about state creation now is deceiving you. By saying this, he is not just attacking individuals, he is accusing the National Assembly of Nigeria of deceiving the people. I've said it time without time. This life is balanced. Now you know stand well. When we say that Okowa is the Agadabachiluzo, why you are not developing in Delta North, why Delta State is stagnant, you think we are joking. It's very unfortunate that people are thinking that what we are doing is politics. That is, we are trying to support Ned Nwoko, we are trying to be against Okowa. No, we are trying to set all of us free from the shackles of godfatherism, from personal, selfish, greed politicians. We want to be free. At least Abia State is enjoying good governance. For 24 years, Abia State was a mess. All these Okalo, the other Oji, then Ibazu. If not for the coming of Alesoti, nobody knows that Abia State could have steady light. Steady light. As in 24 hours light. What Ndokwa people are still protesting against after 16 years, after 20-something years. People are enjoying a steady light. As in, the Aso Rock removed themselves for the national grid. But Abia State has a gas plant generating power for them. They are not using solar to give themselves steady light. A state in Nigeria is doing that. The same Southeast that this Okowa is fighting us not to join. The same Southeast you is calling IPOB has steady light, has the best security as I'm talking to you today. Because since 2023 till date, Igbos have been doing, let me take you home this December. December showing of house challenges, back to back, 23, 24, 25 stroke 26. They have done it 3 years straight. Going home every December, no kidnapping, no armed robber attack, no even accident. Showing their mansions, how people return home, share goodies, and everybody enjoy. Tell me where is safer in Nigeria than the Southeast. But you believe propaganda. You believe the lies of politicians like this. Now, let's go back to the history. That is why I played that video for you. This man that you watch that video is a man who has been on the quest of Anioma State for 46 years. Older than what Okowa knows about Anioma State creation. And he said in the 1984, the government, before the coming of Buhari government, which is the military takeover, Anioma State was supposed to be created and so to the eastern region, to the southeast. It is then the eastern region because there's no geopolitical zone that time. Geopolitical zone was created in 1993 by Dr. Alex Ekome, giving it to the then head of state, General Sani Abacha. That is when geopolitical zone was created, calling the 5 states, the old eastern region, took 4 of the old eastern region and called them South-South, joining with us Delta and Edo. Took the other remaining 5 states and called them Southeast. So all these 4 states, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, were all in eastern region, but today they are called South-South. We are not having any issue with that. We even accepted what they gave to us as South-South. We that were formerly in the western region to midwestern region are now called South-South, but we are shouting Awilo, as if the nomenclature has changed the land, has changed the who you are, has changed the culture. You are playing politics with yourself. The man said for 46 years he has been on this quest. And he said it was 1989, 5 years later, after the taking over of the military by the Buhari government, that truncated the creation of Anioma state. Now came when they now said, okay, now we want to gazette the Anioma. And they accepted the Anioma to be their own version of Igbo. Anioma, our own version of Igbo. Meaning that they accept to be Igbo. You see everything the man narrated there, how the Igbos even reject their Igbo-ness. But Igbo was attached to our own identity. Delta Igbo, Bendel Igbo, Midwestern Igbo, Eka Igbo. They call us all these names and we answer it. Suddenly, fear will start denying what our forefathers fought for since. Because I just want to start in 19... I just want to use this man because it started before then, no? But let me use this man's statement to make a video. This man knows the Anioma more than the so-called Okowa that is telling you today is the wrong direction. Did you see? Now, let me go by the Okowa statement. Okowa said it's the wrong timing. Okowa is indirectly telling the president of Nigeria, the Senate president of Nigeria, the vice president of Nigeria, the deputy speaker of the house, the speaker of the house, the deputy speaker of the house, the deputy Senate president, that they don't know what they are doing. I can give you instances. Look at this video. The vice president came when they want to do the burial of Tony Elumelu, father-in-law. Ned Nwoko, who you were accusing, still remember to crown the man with our culture. He kept our culture. He reminded the man who we are, their culture people, our own version of Igbo. He gave him their culture. The man even naka as general as Igbo people they do, with another king of Anioma person 3 good times. Makandi nasi na wabuhandi Igbo. Ned Nwoko do the same thing when the Senate president came. Now, when he did this man know that we are talking of Anioma state, the vice president. The wrong timing of Okowa is what I'm explaining. Because he said it's the wrong timing. They are deceiving Nigeria, they are deceiving us. The Senate president came, tied the same aquawater, and he was in that program. He said publicly that they will create Anioma state, Asaba will be capital. Why Warri will be capital of New Delta? In the presence of governor of Delta State, Sheriff. The man is saying that the Senate president is deceiving the entire Nigeria. I want you to listen carefully. Don't be emotional. Ask the critical questions. You will get to understand what is going on. He said again, we visited Benjamin Carlo, the deputy speaker of the House of Representatives. The man was also given a gift of aquacha. and he spoke on this behalf. He said the deputy speaker is deceiving the entire Igbos and the entire Nigeria by saying they will grade the Anioma state. We also visited the deputy speaker, the deputy senate president, Barao, Jubrin Barao. He also said they will do everything humanly possible to see that Anioma state is graded. Okowa, for political gain, is telling all of you that all these men who are currently in the government are the one deceiving us. But him, who is not in the system, is one not deceiving us. Now, let me take you back again. The accusation now is not that Nenwoko did not do any constitutional project. They are not even campaigning against him because he did not do any Delta North constituency project. Can you see? Nobody is now telling you, what did he do when he was because Okowa himself was a senator for 4 years. He did not do anything. So he knows that if you tell him that he did not do any constitutional project, we will remind you, what did you do in your own time? In fact, Okowa is no more accusing Ned Nwoko that he said he's Igbo because he's the one that even started it, that he's Igbo. Now the question is this: the same Anioma they said is wrong timing is what they are using to campaign. The same Anioma they said is an online state is what they are using to campaign. Okowa, tell us what you will do if you become a senator. Don't come and demarcate what another man is doing. Tell us what you will do. This is what I want my people to reason with. If you're a normal person, this is what you are supposed to be thinking of. What will Okowa do different if you become a senator? That should be the question Okowa should be telling you when you come to your place for him to take the ticket of Delta North. What will he do different? Where will the state go? He has said that the state will be in South, but you and I know that that is dead on arrival. Because in that statement, he knows that no state will be graded for South. So Anioma is dead on arrival with Okowa in South. So Okowa wants you to remain in Delta State so that he can continue to make Delta State. That is the truth. You ask yourself, why is Okowa fighting Ned Nwoko over the creation of Anioma State? If Anioma State is wrong, if Anioma State will not benefit us, why is he fighting it? Why is the man so eager to make sure he discredits Anioma State? That should be the question many of you need to ask. Why? Why is he so desperate to? Because if he said that he would not want to go to Southeast, Okowa was the one who told everybody in 2022 there is an Igbo man. So why won't you join your Igbo brothers in the Southeast? Okowa. He's the one that told the entire Nigeria, of course I'm an Igbo man. Why won't he join his Igbo brothers in the Southeast? Why is he running away from being for identifying with his kin and kins? Now that matters. So you can't be telling us, the problem is that we want Anioma State, because that's what he said in that video, that there's no Anioma son that does not want Anioma State to be graded. Okowa, you are one of the Anioma son who does not want it. You're a political identity politician. You are playing identity politics. You thought you will deceive the entire Nigeria by claiming you're able, but when your heart is somewhere else, tell us who you are and tell us what you will do different. Tell us the constituency project you will do when you go to campaign. Stop talking about what another man is doing. You are better, fine. You want to discredit the man. You want to say it's the wrong timing. You accuse and insult the entire National Assembly. Accuse the president of the day. That is what you are saying, that they wasted their time, do open public hearing in Uyo and Enugu. They wasted their time, do joint meeting with the Senate on all those things on state creation. Even when they propose, because what Okowa is saying is that even the proposing of those 30-something states, because we remember, we cannot forget, that states were proposed, not only Anioma. The reason why Anioma is in picture is because after Nigeria said, we still need, even if we're not going to grade all these states now, let us grade one state for the Southeast. And that is why Anioma is in the picture. As me, they say there's not going to be any state, Anioma will not be in the picture. But Anioma is in the picture because one more state needs to be created for the Southeast. And we are the only viable state to be created for the Southeast. Now, Okowa, tell us what you will do different when you become a senator. Tell us the constituency project you will do different when you become a senator. When you go to campaign, tell us what you do. This is what Peter B is always saying. Don't go there and be doing character assassination. Be telling people this person do this. What will you do? You have been there for 4 years. You are an SHG for 8 years. You are governor for 8 years. What did you do as this position you are for 20 years for the Delta North and for the Delta State in general? You did nothing, but somebody want to set us free to give us a state. You are angry. Okowa, what is the reason why you are angry about the creation of Anioma State? Can you tell the people, say, this is the reason why I don't want Anioma State to be created? Because you can't be hiding under the state. I know why you are saying it, because you know that the people are ignorant. They are emotionally driven. Can you go to the campaign and they say, I am the one who said I'm an Igbo man, but I don't want Anioma to be created? You go there, you never say such thing again. Because those people that are with you, there are those who are there saying, we don't want to be identified as Igbo. Can you tell them that you that is talking to them, first, Oned Nwoko, identify yourself as an Igbo man? Can you say it in your campaign? But people like us are going to be here to be revealing these secrets, small by small. Onye went to Yanolo. If we now miss this opportunity of Anioma State creation, Delta North and Delta State in general are doomed. I'm not just speaking to Delta North. Even you, the worry guys, do so-called the durable. You have a lot to gain when you have your own state. This is why you suppose even not just keep quiet on this matter. Because it's for your own favor when the state is created. You have your own to develop. While we have our own to develop. As a larger state, these guys you see here is our own brother. He's playing politics, selfish politics with the entire Delta State. But he knows that if the state is divided, his political career will be background. New set of people will come, and he can't be a godfather. He cannot be eating again. Apart from his pension as a former governor, he can't be eating again from the entire system. He can't be controlling those who will be House of Rep and be telling them percentage they will bring. This is the proper reason why the man is doing it. He's doing it for the entire Delta State. But we want to remove him. We just don't want to limit him to Anioma to Delta North alone. We want to remove him from the entire system so that the both state, the new Delta State and Anioma State, will be free from godfatherism. Enough is enough. I'm out of here, John. Mwah.